Today's video is going to be on equivalent time. And I'm going to show you some examples of equivalent time and then do a bonus activity. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at those now. So just a quick overview on equivalent times. In math, equivalent times are different in form but have equal values. So I'm going to show you some examples of that now. And here the directions say the basic unit of time is the second. So meaning all of these numbers here are the equivalent time to the times, shown here. Okay, so for the first one we got 0 minutes equals 0 seconds. And then we got 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And then we got 2 minutes equals 120 seconds. Then we got 3 minutes, which equals 180 seconds. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. 120 minutes equals 2 hours. And 180 minutes equals 3 hours. So these are just some examples of equivalent times here. So for the bonus activity, I'm just going to have you write the equivalent times for these shown here. Okay, so just make sure you read carefully whether it's asking you for seconds or minutes or, just make sure you read it carefully and just write in the number for these equivalent times here. All right, and as always, the answer key and the bonus activity will be available in the description down below so you can check out and see how you did. So that's today's video, and again, I just wanted to go over some examples of what equivalent time is and just give you some extra practice with it, okay? So, thank you so much for joining in today's video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.